Illinois is suing the Trump administration over plans to deploy hundreds of National Guardsmen to the state. The case went before a judge this afternoon. Lawyers for the federal government said troops from Texas are on their way to Illinois today and expected to be in position by tomorrow or Wednesday. At the same time, Illinois leaders spoke out about those plans. Charlie Wojciechowski starts our team coverage from the West Loop. Charlie.
Well, Marion, what the state of Illinois is seeking is a temporary injunction to block the deployment of those National Guard troops here in Illinois. The governor standing with his attorney general who filed that lawsuit, and much of the Chicago area congressional delegation all trying to make a point. They pointed to the South Shore incident, the incident with the tear gas being thrown at people who were heckling the ICE and Border Protection Patrol officers. All of them, they say, evidence of federal overreach in this case. They say those federal troops are neither needed nor wanted here.
There is no invasion here. There is no insurrection here. And local and state law enforcement are on the job and managing what they need to.
Today, we are signing an executive order aimed at reining in this out-of-control administration. The order establishes ICE-free zones. That means that city property and unwilling private businesses will no longer serve as staging grounds for these raids.
The White House today issuing a response saying amidst ongoing violent riots and lawlessness that local leaders like Pritzker have refused to step in to quell. President Trump has exercised his lawful authority to protect federal officers and assets. President Trump will not turn a blind eye to the lawlessness plaguing American cities. But in Chicago, after a weekend of what he called forceful displays of tyranny, Mayor Brandon Johnson signed an executive order establishing what he called ICE-free zones in public spaces. Now, exactly how those ICE-free zones would work has yet to be determined. I did ask the governor if he would consider the same thing at the state level. He says he has not looked closely at the mayor's plan, but it is something he is willing to consider. The lawsuit itself had its day in federal court, at least the first of a number of days. A judge saying he will take this under advisement and make a ruling in the next 2 days. The next time everyone is due back in court is on Thursday. So right now, no temporary restraining order to block those troops, but everyone back again on Thursday to hear more from the judge. Reporting live here on West Monroe, Charlie Wojciechowski, NBC 5 News.
Charlie, thank you.